Many people think about money when they hear the word investment. They imagine buying a house, starting a business, or putting money into the stock market. These things can be important, but there is another kind of investment that is often more powerful. That investment is investing in yourself. When you invest in yourself, you spend time, energy, and sometimes money to grow as a person. You learn new skills, improve your thinking, and build better habits. This kind of investment can change your life in many ways. Unlike money that can go up or down, the value you build inside yourself usually stays with you for a very long time. Investing in yourself means taking care of your mind, your knowledge, and your abilities. It can be something simple like reading a book that teaches you a new idea. It can also be learning a new language, practicing a useful skill, or studying a subject that interests you. When you learn something new, your mind becomes stronger and more flexible. You start to see the world in a different way. You also become more confident because you know more and understand more. This confidence helps you face challenges in life. Many people spend a lot of time thinking about quick results. They want success very fast. They want to earn more money quickly or become famous in a short time. Because of this, they sometimes forget about personal growth. But real growth usually takes time. When you invest in yourself, the results may not appear immediately. However, day by day, you slowly become a better version of yourself. One day you may look back and realize that you have changed a lot. Learning is one of the best ways to invest in yourself. Education does not only happen in school. In fact, many important lessons in life happen outside the classroom. You can learn from books, videos, podcasts, or even from conversations with other people. When you stay curious and open to learning, your mind continues to grow. A person who keeps learning will always find new opportunities. For example, imagine someone who decides to learn English. At the beginning, it may feel difficult. The person may forget words, make mistakes, or feel shy when speaking. But if they continue practicing every day, little by little their ability improves. After some time, they can understand more videos, read more books, and talk to more people around the world. This new skill can open many doors, such as better jobs, new friendships, and deeper understanding of different cultures. All of this started with a simple decision to invest in learning. Another important part of investing in yourself is building good habits. Habits are small actions that we repeat every day. These small actions may look unimportant at first, but over time they create big results. For example, reading 10 pages of a book every day may not feel like much. But after 1 year, you may finish many books and learn many new ideas. In the same way, practicing a skill for a short time every day can slowly turn you into an expert. Healthy habits are also a form of self-investment. Taking care of your body helps you live and work better. When you sleep well, eat healthy food, and exercise regularly, your body has more energy. This energy helps you focus, think clearly, and stay positive. A healthy body supports a strong mind. When your body feels good, it is easier to learn new things and achieve your goals. Investing in yourself also means working on your mindset. Mindset is the way you think about yourself and the world. Some people believe that their abilities are fixed. They think they cannot change or improve much. Because of this belief, they stop trying when things become difficult. But other people believe that they can grow with effort and practice. They see mistakes as lessons instead of failures. This kind of mindset helps people continue moving forward even when the path is not easy. When you invest in your mindset, you learn to be patient with yourself. Growth does not happen in one day. Sometimes you may feel slow or uncertain, but every step you take is still progress. Over time, these small steps build a strong foundation for your future. Another reason why investing in yourself is so powerful is that no one can take it away from you. Money can disappear, jobs can change, markets can go up and down, but the skills and knowledge inside you usually stay. Even if you lose one opportunity, your abilities help you create new ones. A person who has strong skills and a curious mind can adapt to many different situations. For example, imagine someone who loses their job because their company closes. At first, this situation can feel very stressful. However, if this person has spent time learning new skills and improving themselves, they may have more options. They may start a different job, work in another industry, or even begin their own project. Their investment in themselves becomes a source of strength during difficult times. Self-investment also helps you understand yourself better. When you try new activities, learn new topics, and face new challenges, you start to discover what you truly enjoy and what you are good at. Some people spend many years following a path that does not make them happy because they never explore their interests. But when you invest time in personal growth, you slowly find your true direction. This process is like exploring a large map. At first, you only know a small part of the map. But as you move and explore, you discover new places. Some places may not be right for you, and that is okay. The important thing is that you continue exploring. Every experience teaches you something about yourself. Another beautiful thing about investing in yourself is that it also helps other people. When you grow, you often share your knowledge and kindness with the people around you. For example, when you learn something useful, you may teach it to a friend or a family member. When you develop patience and understanding, you can support others during difficult times. In this way, your personal growth creates a positive effect on the people around you. Confidence is another important result of self-investment. Confidence does not come from pretending to be perfect. It comes from knowing that you are learning, improving, and doing your best. When you practice a skill again and again, you start to trust your ability. This trust helps you try new things and face challenges without too much fear. Many successful people talk about the importance of investing in themselves. They often read books, learn from mentors, and spend time improving their skills. But the good news is that you do not need to be rich or famous to start this journey. Anyone can begin investing in themselves today. It can start with very small actions. You might start by reading for 15 minutes each day. You might listen to an educational podcast while walking. You might practice speaking a new language with a friend. These small actions may seem simple, but they are powerful over time. Consistency is more important than speed. When you continue learning and improving little by little, the results will slowly appear. Of course, the path of self-investment is not always easy. Sometimes you may feel tired or discouraged. Sometimes progress feels slow. But it is important to remember that growth is a long journey. Just like planting a tree, you need patience. At first, you only see a small plant, but with care and time, that plant grows into a strong tree. Investing in yourself is also about believing that your future can be better than your present. When you learn new things and develop new skills, you're preparing yourself for opportunities that you may not see yet. Life often brings unexpected chances, and when those chances appear, your preparation can make a big difference. Think about a person who spends years improving their communication skills. One day they may have the chance to give an important presentation, lead a team, or start a new project. Because they prepared themselves, they are ready for that moment. Their past effort creates a new opportunity. In the end, investing in yourself is one of the most valuable choices you can make. Money can help you buy many things, but knowledge, skills, and personal growth can shape your entire life. When you choose to learn, grow, and improve, you're building a future that is full of possibilities. Every book you read, every skill you practice, and every positive habit you build is like a small deposit into your personal bank. Over time, these deposits grow into something powerful. They become confidence, wisdom, and strength. These qualities help you face challenges, create opportunities, and live a meaningful life. So, if you ever wonder where to place your time and energy, remember this simple idea. The best investment you can make is investing in yourself. When you grow, your world grows with you. And the journey of becoming a better version of yourself may be the most rewarding investment of all.